Chris Christensen from BloggerBridge, here with a video for companies who are coming to TBEX and how to use speed networking. So if you're coming to TBEX and you've signed up for speed networking, you should already have been given an email and a password from TBEX, not from BloggerBridge in this case. TBEX and BloggerBridge are two different companies. And you need to go to tbex.bloggerbridge.com. Not bloggerbridge.com, but you need to be at tbex.bloggerbridge.com. Use your email and password that you got, log in, and you should see a profile. Your profile won't have your picture yet. You can add that if you want to. You can also do other updates for your profile using these buttons here. But we're going to focus instead on information here. There should be a calendar icon here, and the name above the calendar icon when you hover over it should be the name of the TBEX you're going to. TBEX Asia is already passed, but I'm going to use that as the data for this so that you don't see a lot of blank screens. So you've got a couple different options here when you come in. You can look at your schedule. My schedule here is currently blank. I'm not meeting with anybody. This is currently says I've reserved these times. Because somebody's going to be leaving early and so they can't meet at those particular times. If you want to reserve them, click on them again, they'll turn green and they become available for meetings. You'll notice right now I'm currently scheduled to have one meeting at a time, and if I have another person who's coming with me and I want to do two simultaneous meetings here this first day, I can click on add chair. You can only get 2 chairs, 1 or 2, and now each of us can meet with somebody different, and we have 2 different sets of appointments on this day, but that person is leaving this day, so I didn't add the chair here. And so I can go in here and I can see my schedule. I don't have anybody there. I have not currently sent any invitations to bloggers, but I have received one from a blogger. So I can go in here and say, who have I heard from? Well, I've heard from this Chris Christensen guy. I hear he's a great guy. And this is some of his websites, so I can go over here to see his website and get information about what it's about. Here's some stats. He shared his Google Analytics and also has tagged some information and put information here about this particular website and the podcast in this particular case. And so I can go back and say, well, that sounds interesting. Here's how many downloads it gets for his podcast, how many page views and such. If that sounds interesting, I can accept the invitation. And BloggerBridge is a two-way system. I can send invitation to bloggers. Bloggers can send invitations to me. Whoever accepts the invitation gets to schedule it. And so I'll go here, and you'll notice sometimes they're not available. Chris already has some time on his schedule. It sounds odd, and I'm referring to myself in the third person here. So I can't choose one of those times that is not available on either of our schedules, or both of our schedules, rather. And so if I go here and I say I want to meet with Chris at 3:35 on Thursday, November 17th, then he will show up on the schedule. And that's how your schedule gets filled up, is either accepting invitations or sending out invitations and having them accepted. If no time showed up in common, you can't meet. You either have to cancel somebody else or you have to send them a message that says, hey, Chris, I can't meet with you, but I'd love to get together at lunch or something like that. So back to my schedule. I also have the option here, besides extending invitations, receiving invitations, is to go here and to find some bloggers. And so, for instance, if I have a specific blogger name, I can put their email here. Or if I know I'm looking for bloggers in or around or who are traveling to New York City, let's say I'm in the New York Tourism Board, I can search for New York. It's going to find me people in New York. It's also going to find me people near New York. Bloomfield, New Jersey is within 50 kilometers of New York, so it also shows up. And then Jenny's going to show up here, not because she's from either of those places. She's from Australia, but in her travel schedule, she is going to be in New York, and so that's why she's showing up there. And then if I say I'm also interested in people with 10,000 Twitter followers or more, that's additive. That's people in New York with 10,000 or more. So that didn't work. But if I take out the New York and I search, I can find people with more than 10,000 Twitter followers. And then I can do that with different social media sites. I can also look for a user by topic, by gender. I'm looking for just female bloggers because I'm doing something in particular I can go in here, look by name. I don't remember the name. Sarah seems like that was somebody named Sarah that I met at the last TBEX that I was going to get together. Maybe it was one of those three. And then also I can go in here by topic and say, I'm looking for business bloggers, for instance. And if I go and search for business bloggers, then I go and find a different set of bloggers. And if I decide that one of these bloggers looks interesting, I'm going to cancel that appointment I had with Chris just to show you how that works. But if we go back here to this feed, I'm going to now invite Chris again because I don't have an appointment with Chris right now. If I invite Chris, then Chris gets an email, and Chris will then get a chance to do the same thing I did before, which is receive that invitation and then schedule it. So use the system to find bloggers that you're interested in. Be picky. Look for bloggers who are interesting to you for what you're trying to do. Understand what it is you're trying to do first, and then use this system to search for them. You can contact them. You can even send them questions ahead of time in terms of finding out more information about them by doing the message button here. But that's how to use BloggerBridge as a company for TBEX. There are other functionalities of BloggerBridge that does the rest of the year, but that's the functionality here for TBEX speed networking. Again, use the credentials you get, log in, make sure you have this calendar icon. If you don't have it, contact TBEX and make sure you're at tbex.bloggerbridge.com.